Good morning, children. Hope you are okay. Now we have completed block 25. So all our portion has been completed, children. Okay. Now block 25, air and water transport. S1, hot air balloons to aeroplanes. Right, that we have completed. S2, that is in work. S2, traveling by air. Okay. S3, traveling on water, air, water. 4, S4, across the canals. I showed you the Suez Canal, Panama Canal in that map. I showed you all of these things we have completed. So our portion has been completed. Now I give you classwork. In classwork you have to do activity, right? Okay, all the best. Now children, take out your classwork book, block 25, air and water transport. First one, keywords. First one, Suez Canal. Second, Panama Canal. Third, England. Fourth, America. Fifth, Atlantic Ocean. Sixth, Pacific Ocean. Seventh, Indian Ocean. 8, invention. 9, Mediterranean Sea. 10, countries. Please write neatly. One time please see. Now next page, glossary. First one, aircraft, a machine that can fly. Second, cargo, things carried on ships or aeroplanes. Third, ferry, boat to carry people across short distance. Fourth, steamer, small ship or big boat that moves with a steam engine. Fill in the blanks. Third bit, fill in the blanks. First one, we use a tanker ship. Underline tanker. Please underline, children, you are forgetting to underline the dash word. Fill in the blanks. Please underline with pencil. Tanker ship. Tanker is dash word. To carry oil. 2, we use a cargo ship. Cargo, underline cargo. Ship to carry other things. Third one, we use a helicopter. Underline helicopter. To lift people during earthquake. Fourth one, hot air balloon. Please underline hot air balloon was the earliest type of aircraft. Fifth one, the modern aeroplane. Underline modern aeroplane. Both. Modern aeroplanes can fly with around 250 to 300 people. That is nowadays modern aeroplanes, they carries 250 to 300 people. Did you see? One time I am showing. Next, answer the following question. Please write in new page. Question 1. How do the Suez and Panama Canal help in sea travel? Answer 1. The Suez Canal and Panama Canal have reduced the time taken by ships to travel. Now we can take about 15 days to reach England from India, which would earlier take months. Question 2. Give one reason why we need air and water transport. Answer 2. First one, air transport. Underline air transport. So we are talking about air transport. We need air transport to carry people and things across oceans and seas and to other cities and countries in less time. This is not possible with land or water transport. So that is why we need air transport. Water transport. Number 2, water transport. Underline water transport. So we are talking about water transport, how it is useful. We need water transport to carry people and things through rivers, lakes, seas and oceans. Full stop. Air transport is more expensive, yes, they are very costly. So sometimes we use ships to carry people and things across sea. Okay, now see one time. You have to zoom and then you have to write the notes. Please write the notes, children. Don't keep any pending, children. Now turn your page. Activity. Now 2 activities I'll give you. Just please write heading also. Activity. First one, stick or draw. You can stick or draw. I'm giving you any option. Air transport. That one aeroplane you must stick and you have to write about it. Write few lines about it. Okay, in one page. Another page, activity 2, stick or draw boat or steamer, anything, and write few lines about water transport. Did you see this? This is first one and this is second page. And please write about it. Okay, all the best. We have completed the portion.